In this video, we will demonstrate booking and canceling failable tests. Navigate to the Assignments panel and the My Tests option under it. Upon entering, you will be greeted by a grid of tests assigned to you, including past, failed, or tests that you will do in the future. This also means the page where you can book and cancel tests if the deadline allows. Choose the test you want to take and click the Book button. A pop-up window will appear that will ask you for confirmation. Click Yes, and you are free to begin the test if the available time allows it. In the case that the test has multiple sessions, you can click the Choose the Session button. Here you will see all of the available sessions, and you can book it by clicking on this button. You can do the test when it becomes active. Here is an example of the test-taking process. In the case of canceling, you can click the Cancel Booking button, which will also ask you to confirm. It will also let you know that if you are liable for a refund, you may contact the system administrator to assist you.